In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Webull Cash account. Now, in order to do this, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and download the Webull application. Or you guys can go ahead and go to any web browser and look up Webull Cash account creation. Then go ahead and select on the official Webull.com website. And over here, it is going to allow you to go ahead and open the Google Play Store. So let's go ahead and do that, and let's go ahead and open it up. It is really important that you install the application. It is 100% free. Now, there are two types of accounts that you can make on Webull. There's a margin account and also a cash account. So during the application, it is going to ask you what type of account you want to open up. And it is during that moment that you want to select on cash account, not the margin account. A cash account allows you to trade with settled funds only, without leverage, making it simpler and less risky for beginners. Webull supports individual cash accounts but does not offer joint accounts, IRAs, or corporate accounts for cash accounts at the same time. Now, before you begin the process, you're going to need some documentation and some personal information. So I want you to be prepared to include your full name, your date of birth, social security number, or your individual tax identification number, also known as the ITN, and your residential address. And this is only for US residents only. And you may need to answer questions about your employment, financial situation, and trading experience. This is a standard regulatory requirement to assess your suitability for trading. And during the account process, you will need to verify your identity. So you will need to upload a valid government issued ID such as a driver's license or passport as prompted. And Webull may perform a soft credit check as well, which does not impact your credit score. It is only to verify that it's actually you who's opening up the account. And typically it is going to walk you through the entire process over here, but the main key difference is whenever it asks you what type of account you want to make, you want to select on cash account, not margin account. But apart from that, everything else is exactly the same, and it is going to walk you through the entire process. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.